Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy, Master Barber for the Art of Shaving. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a buzz cut. I'm basically going to take the top down a little bit shorter. I'm going to take in the sides a little bit shorter. I don't want to go too short on the sides. I'm probably going to do like a 1.5. Always start longer. You can always go shorter. You just can't go longer, obviously. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this with the number 6, take it all the way down to like about right over here, all of this with the number 6. I'm going to use the number 4. Right underneath the 4, I'm going to use a 3, a 2, and then have the 1.5 blend into the 2. Number 6. Now I'm going to be using a number 4 on the sides, number 4. Just till right here. I'm going to be going a little bit shorter using the 1.5. I'm going to close it. So I did a 4 here. Now I did the 1.5 here. I'm gonna be doing a 3, and then I'll be doing a 2, and then this will just go right away. So that's the 1.5. Now I'm gonna be using a 3, taking down the bulk. Number 2. One and a half. Open. On this side, I'm going to repeat the same steps. Number 3. Number 2. One and a half. Open. hair. I don't normally cut my hair with the social distancing. As we know, we cannot get to our barbers. This was the best way for me to explain on how you can cut your own hair. Hopefully you guys can get some good practice in. If you would like to share with us your results, hashtag the art of shaving, and if there was anything else you would like to see, please let us know. Thank you.